Hello, I am Vikram Shrotri here from Mumbai. I am one of the director of tour company Yukta Holidays and Events Private Limited. Before I joined the classes of Kewal, I was facing problem in data organizing and data keeping. Even I was not having proper data of my customers. So I joined the class or training program of MBA immediately in May 2020 when I attended in April 2020 one of the webinar of Kewal. And then I gained knowledge of Google Power. I came to know that there are many add-ons for Google Form. Also, you can improve the productivity using Google techniques. You can use the CRM tool for keeping the data organized, and you can again retarget your same customers again and again. So that is very important in travel and tourism. So it was very knowledgeable training which I gained from Kewal's, you can say, training videos. And their team is also very good, very cooperative. Their customer service is always good. Whenever I was asking some doubts, his teammates were replying immediately to me. That's why I recommend training of Kewal for MBA program, as productivity is output upon input. If you attend his trainings, definitely your output will be improved and at less input. So overall your productivity will be improved 100%. Thank you very much.